Imagine this, you're ready to dive into real estate, your foundation's solid, your strategy's clear, but there's one piece missing: consistent deal flow. That can make or break your portfolio's growth. Without a steady stream of new deals, you risk long, profit-stifling dry spells. Generating deals on demand is a solution, and it's more than just a strategy, it's the engine that actually drives your success in this competitive industry. Today, I'm going to deep dive into how to establish your systems, leverage digital and traditional marketing, build a solid network, and master the tools that ensure consistent opportunities. By the end of this video, you're going to have everything you need to create your own continuous pipeline of deals, transforming your approach to real estate and setting you up for long-term, reliable success. So let's get started on generating your deals, expanding your portfolio, and aiming high in real estate. Real estate investing revolves around finding consistent deal flow. Without it, your portfolio is going to experience long, frustrating dry spells. Imagine that you built your investment foundation, but there's nothing coming in to build on. That's the risk of relying on sporadic deals. By setting up systems that consistently feed your new investment opportunities, you're going to ensure your portfolio growth and have a steady pipeline of deals to choose from. Real estate is competitive enough, with investors of all experience levels looking for the best properties. By building an effective strategy system for deal generation, you'll be a step ahead, enabling long-term success. To maximize your deal flow, it's crucial to distinguish between active and passive sourcing of deals. Think of active sourcing as a direct approach. You're hitting the streets, you're making things happen through efforts like networking, direct mail campaigns, you're driving for dollars, you're knocking on doors, you're attending auctions. You're out there, you're looking for deals with your own hands-on strategies. Now, passive sourcing, on the other hand, is all about setting up structures to bring deals directly to you. This includes inbound opportunities from wholesalers, agents, or even online listings. While both strategies are valuable on their own, combining them is often the most effective way, as I've found, in generating a wide range of opportunities and covering more ground. Marketing is the key component here, and in real estate, it goes far beyond just advertising for properties. You're also making yourself a serious, credible buyer. This builds visibility and attracts sellers who want to work with reliable buyers. When sellers, agents, or wholesalers know you're a consistent buyer, opportunities are going to start coming into you organically. This positioning is especially useful for securing both on-market and off-market deals where trust and reliable go really far. Utilizing both digital and traditional platforms helps you to reach different types of sellers in ways that suit them. Digital platforms like Facebook and Craigslist offer extensive reach and can be very cost-effective, especially for casting a wide net. They're useful for things like targeted online ads, connecting with sellers through marketplace, and keeping an online presence that attracts motivated leads. But don't neglect traditional methods like direct mail campaigns or in-person networking, which can add a personal touch that digital platforms just can't do. Digital methods can provide scale, while traditional methods help build solid connections with local property owners. To keep the deal flow steady, it's essential to create systems for continuous lead generation. Imagine you have an automated funnel, search alerts, and networking that consistently bring you new deals without having to chase every lead personally. Systems like this ensure that even if you're focusing on other aspects of your business, deals are going to continue to come in. This automated approach allows you to maintain and grow your pipeline with less manual effort. Your network is your net worth, right? It's also one of your greatest assets. Agents, wholesalers, contractors, and other investors can often bring you deals that aren't available elsewhere. By building strong relationships within the real estate industry, you're going to be positioned to hear about exclusive off-market properties, joint venture opportunities, and other valuable resources. It's mutually beneficial. You help others by providing resources and referrals, and in return, they keep you in mind for potential deals. It's also critical that you align your deal generation strategies with your specific investment goals. If your focus is on cash flow properties, for example, then prioritize sources that align with that goal, like multifamily units through wholesalers. The types of deals you pursue should directly relate to your objectives, whether they're cash flow, appreciation, flipping, or buy and hold properties. Matching your deal source with your goals keeps you from wasting your time on properties that don't fit your buy box. One final point to remember is that the deal generation in real estate, while competitive, needs to be ethical. I'll say this over and over again. Avoid practices that undermine trust, like misleading sellers or engaging in unfair bidding. Not only does integrity ensure a positive reputation, but it also leads to stronger, long-lasting relationships with other industry professionals. Your reputation as a fair and honest investor is one of the most powerful tools in your arsenal. It's the difference between one-time opportunities and consistent referrals from sellers and agents who know and trust you. Throughout this journey, the main objective is to learn and apply a range of deal sourcing techniques, from driving for dollars to using technology effectively. And at the end of the day, the goal here is to identify deals more efficiently and tailor each strategy to fit your unique investment style. Being proactive is essential. So if you're willing to engage in strategies like direct mail campaigns or seeking out properties in person, you're going to stand out among competitors who rely solely on the passive methods. Let's talk about digital platforms, because in recent years, digital platforms like Zillow and Facebook and Craigslist have redefined how we approach real estate sourcing. These platforms open up a world of opportunity by connecting investors with properties and sellers anywhere, often with few simple clicks. Zillow provides detailed property data and MLS listings, while Facebook Marketplace offers access to local property listings. Hey, Craigslist, too, it remains a solid, often looked resource for discovering local listings directly from sellers. Social media has become indispensable for lead generation. Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and others offer both paid and organic ways to engage potential sellers, buyers, and partners. For instance, you can use Facebook Marketplace to find properties or LinkedIn to connect with other agents and lenders and other industry contacts. Engaging consistently on these platforms builds credibility and strengthens your online presence. It makes you a trusted figure in the real estate community. Paid advertising strategies on platforms like Google and Facebook are also incredibly useful for reaching specific target audiences. You can create campaigns that directly target distressed property owners in certain areas, maximizing the chance that a motivated seller sees your message. Your online presence matters greatly in real estate today. A professional website with clear information, testimonials, and case studies helps establish credibility and trustworthiness. Guys, that's the first thing they're going to look for. It demonstrates that you're a serious investor, not just someone casually browsing for deals. The image is crucial, as sellers are more likely to choose a reputable buyer for a smooth and reliable transaction. On real estate websites and portals like Zillow or Realtor, setting up alerts allow you to stay informed about properties that meet your criteria. These alerts can notify you the moment a property becomes available so you can act quickly. In competitive markets, speed is essential, and having alerts set up gives you a head start. Let's talk about SEO, search engine optimization. This is a powerful tool. By optimizing your website to rank for specific keywords like sell my house fast, you can attract organic traffic from motivated sellers who find you through search engines like Google. This approach brings leads directly to you, reducing the need for you to chase after potential sellers. Email marketing is another effective digital tool for staying connected with potential sellers and buyers. By collecting emails through lead magnets like offering free real estate tips or PDFs, you build a contact list of people interested in selling or buying properties. Regular newsletters or property updates keep you top of mind when they decide they're ready to sell or buy. Tracking and analyzing the performance of your digital marketing efforts is essential. KPIs, right? So metrics like click-through rates or CTRs and conversion rates help you assess the effectiveness of each campaign so you're not spending money on ads that don't work. Regular analysis shows that you refine your approach, ensuring you maximize your returns for your marketing dollar, your return on ad spend. Case studies and success stories are an effective way to demonstrate the real-world impact of digital strategies. By sharing your success story, you can show other investors how a strong digital strategy can lead to profitable deals, and best practices for online communication go a really long way. Clear professional communication establishes trust with sellers, especially online. Respond promptly using clear language and maintain a professional tone. These habits can make all the difference. Facebook Marketplace for real estate is an underappreciated tool for sourcing real estate deals. I've bought multiple rental properties through Facebook Marketplace. It's a platform where you can browse listings, post inquiries, and communicate directly with sellers, wholesalers most times. Many sellers use Marketplace to advertise properties informally, meaning fewer agents and often less competition. It's a quick way to connect with motivated sellers. Creating compelling listings on Facebook Marketplace can increase your success. High-quality images, concise descriptions, and clear contact information is essential. It may be tempting to keep things informal on social media, but professional appearances are what helps you stand out. So when you engage with buyers and sellers through Facebook chat, be prompt and courteous. Professionalism goes a long way, even in an informal setting. Facebook groups dedicated to real estate investing or local buy and sell markets are also powerful resources. You're going to find groups specific to cities, regions, or niches within real estate. Engaging actively in these groups gives you access to off-market deals and expands your network. Participating regularly helps establish you as a serious player in a local real estate scene, opening more doors to more opportunities. Another benefit of Facebook is the platform's targeted ads. You can run hyper-targeted ads to reach homeowners in specific locations or target distressed property owners, a feature that's particularly valuable for deal sourcing. Consistently posting in groups or marketplace builds a community presence, which further establishes you as the go-to guy in your area. When dealing with responses from Marketplace, it's easy to get overwhelmed. Managing responses quickly and efficiently is key. Use your CRMs or a spreadsheet to keep track of leads and avoid losing potential deals among all the numerous messages. And as always, follow legal and ethical guidelines, particularly regarding fair housing laws, to ensure compliance, and watch out for the SMS texting police. Success stories from Facebook Marketplace demonstrate the platform's potential as a deal source. Real-life examples of profitable deals closed through Marketplace show that even informal platforms can lead to a real opportunity. Maintaining a professional profile on Facebook, enhances your credibility, especially within groups where reputation matters. Craigslist is a deal source. It's common, though underutilized as a platform for real estate deals. With regular searches and well-defined criteria, you can find solid investment opportunities. I find the phone app actually works better. Craigslist's simplicity allows for quick navigation and setting up alerts for specific keywords, which helps you catch up on new listings before your competition. To stand out on Craigslist, create concise, attention-grabbing listings with compelling title, clear descriptions, and professional photos. Your posts are going to compete with many others, so visuals and a call to action can make all the difference. And given Craigslist's open nature, be mindful of scams. There are a lot of them. I've seen my own rental properties listed on there. Always verify the listing and practice caution when you're meeting potential contacts. Posting frequently and at optimal times can improve your visibility. Consider creative incentives like offering quick cash sales or covering some closing costs to set yourself apart. The frequent turnover of posts on Craigslist means regular listings help maintain visibility, making it more likely you're going to catch the right eye. Real estate isn't limited to buying and selling on Craigslist, though. It's a valuable resource for wholesaling, renting, or finding other contractors. Tailor your search and postings to fit your current needs. Consistency is key here, so make sure you're refreshing and reposting your listings frequently to keep your opportunities visible. Networking with REIAs. When it comes to real estate investment, we're talking about real estate investment associations. Nothing beats face-to-face interactions. Local REIAs provide an invaluable space for networking, education, and collaboration. By joining your local REIA, you gain access to a network of like-minded individuals, agents, and industry professionals, all of whom can become potential investors, mentors, or sources of off-market deals. These groups are fertile ground for finding exclusive opportunities, many of which are only available through word of mouth among members. Simply attending meetings, it's not going to get it done, guys. You have to stand out. You need to actively participate by asking questions, sharing your experiences, contributing value to the group. And when others recognize you as a committed, knowledgeable investor, they're going to be more inclined to reach out to you with potential deals to collaborate. Over time, consistent engagement builds trust and familiarity, paving the way for long-term relationships that can lead to profitable joint ventures and partnerships. Some of the best friends I have are from REIAs. These groups often host investors, wholesalers, and agents who pitch their latest deals during meetings. Whether you're an established active REIA member, you gain access to these early opportunities, but beyond sourcing deals, REIAs offer invaluable resources like workshops, seminars, and even mentorship programs. You get both practical knowledge and connections that are critical for growing your portfolio and staying competitive in your market. For effective networking at REIA events, aim to connect with a range of people, from seasoned investors to new members and industry vendors. The broader your network is, the more resources you're going to have to draw from, whether it's finding trusted contractors, expanding your financial options, or discovering your new investment strategies. Joint ventures in particular are common among REIA members. If you have cash, but you lack the time, another investor may have the expertise and the availability to manage a deal in exchange for your capital. That creates a win-win situation. In many cases, deals, partnerships, and valuable industry connections can be tracked back through the relationships formed at your REIAs. Examples of these success stories within these communities show just how powerful networking with local investors can be. But it's important to operate with ethical transparency, build that trust, and keep your commitments, and be honest in all your interactions. In tight-knit communities like REIAs, your reputation precedes you. We all talk. Consistent ethical conduct opens doors and more opportunities than any aggressive deal-seeking approach could ever. Over the long term, active REIA involvement cements your reputation as a serious investor and keeps you informed on local market trends. By participating regularly, you not only build your knowledge and credibility, but also establish yourself as someone others turn to for industry insights, joint ventures, and exclusive deals. Real estate agents are critical allies in deal sourcing strategies, especially if they're understanding the unique needs of an investor. Not investor-friendly, they're actually investors themselves. While any agent can help buy or sell a property, finding the one who actually understands investment properties like cash flow analysis and local market trends can give you an edge. Experienced agents provide insights into market conditions and often know about listings that haven't even hit the market yet. Building a mutually beneficial relationship with an agent is worth the effort. When you work with an agent, you provide them with steady business, and in turn, they're going to bring you early and exclusive deals. It's a win-win relationship that over time develops into a partnership. Agents often have insider knowledge of specific neighborhoods or regions, including details about properties poised to come to the market or emerging investment hotspots. This information gives you a competitive advantage, particularly in the fast-moving markets. For a smooth, productive relationship, clear communications with agents is crucial. Outline your investment goals so they know what types of deals to look for on your behalf. Regular check-ins keep them in the loop for your criteria, so they're always on the lookout for properties that align with your objectives. Managing expectations up front regarding timelines, deal-specific, and fees ensures that both parties know what to expect, reducing most misunderstandings. Examples of successful deals closed to real estate agents highlight the value of strong partnerships. Many of these deals involve off-market opportunities or properties in desirable areas that other investors have never even seen. And it's not only about finding properties, agents can also help you when it's time to sell, making a long-term relationship even more valuable. They bring you a deal, you let them list it at the back end. By maintaining that good rapport with agents, you can streamline both buying and selling transactions. Transparency and professionalism are essential when you're working with an agent. Be upfront about your financing, follow through on your promises, and make sure your intentions are clear. By establishing yourself as a reliable investor, you build a network of agents who actively seek opportunities for you, amplifying your deal flow and reinforcing your reputation as a committed investor. Are you a veteran or first responder and you're ready to start your journey into financial freedom through real estate investing? Don't wait. Take action now and unlock your potential for success in real estate. Let's turn your dreams of financial freedom into reality. Head to budevans.com and schedule your strategy session now. Wholesalers. They're often a direct line to off-market properties, particularly those in distressed conditions or in need of quick sale. Wholesalers operate as intermediaries between property owners and investors, negotiating contracts for undervalued properties and then assigning those contracts to investors for a fee. The key to working effectively with wholesalers lies in the building of a network of reliable individuals who often have a proven track record. Not all wholesalers are equal, so take the time to vet those you work with. Experienced wholesalers who understand the local markets and have a strong reputation are far more likely to provide quality leads. Checking references, reviewing past deals, and communicating openly about your expectations can help you establish trust with wholesalers. When you have a solid relationship, you increase the likelihood of receiving top-quality leads. Wholesalers work on tight timelines, so quick decision-making is important. They typically expect a prompt response since they operate on a first-come, first-served basis. For you, this means being prepared to assess a deal quickly, negotiate, and close without unnecessary delay. Having financing or legal resources in place ahead of time ensures that you're ready to act when the quality deal is presented. Building the network of several wholesalers maximizes your chance of accessing a wide range of properties. Each wholesaler will bring different deals to the table based on their connections and market expertise, broadening your pool of potential investments. And since wholesalers specialize in off-market deals, working with multiple wholesalers significantly increases your access to properties without traditional market competition, providing you the opportunity for favorable pricing. However, ensure all contracts are reviewed by a legal professional because wholesale deals can sometimes involve distressed properties with complex legal issues. Also, approach these relationships with ethical considerations, clarify your intentions, understand the wholesaler's role, and avoid pressuring sellers into uncomfortable situations. Fast decision-making here and due diligence are essential, as they minimize the risk and ensure you're only closing on deals that align with your investment goals. Several case studies showcase successful deals secured through wholesalers, illustrating how advantageous these off-market opportunities can be. By building and maintaining solid communication with wholesalers, you gain a continuous flow of potential deals, which, over time, can substantially expand your portfolio. Direct mail campaigns are effective ways to target property owners who may be interested in selling but haven't listed their property publicly. Unlike digital advertising, direct mail allows you to reach homeowners directly, offering a personalized touch that can often resonate more than generic online ads. Targeting property owners in a specific situation like pre-foreclosure or absentee landlords can yield excellent results, as these groups are more likely to be motivated to sell. Crafting effective direct mail messages is essential, though. Your mail should clearly and concisely convey how you can help the homeowner, whether through quick cash or smooth, hassle-free closing process. The messages should be inviting and clear, with an easy way for recipients to reach you directly. Segmenting your mailing list improves your campaign results. So by targeting specific groups like owners with high equity, distressed property, or absentee landlords, you increase the chances of receiving responses from those most likely to sell. Analyzing the ROI, or return on investment, of your direct mail efforts is also crucial. Always look at your KPIs, your key performance indicators. Track your response rate, deal conversions, and overall profitability, and adjust your strategy based on the insights to maximize your results. Direct mail works well when integrated with other marketing channels. For example, you can include a link or a phone number in your mail piece that directs recipients to your website or a dedicated landing page. This multi-channel approach combines the personal touch of direct mail with the accessibility of digital, reaching homeowners in ways that they're comfortable with. In real estate, consistency is critical, and direct mail campaigns need to be frequent to be effective. A single mailer may not yield results, but regular, well-timed follow-ups keep you on top of mind for homeowners who may not be ready to sell immediately, but might respond later. Examples of successful deals sourced through direct mail campaigns show that a targeted, personalized approach can be extremely effective in generating off-market leads. I have friends who have heard back 3 years after their mailers were sent out. Managing responses promptly is also vital, as interested sellers may reach out directly after receiving a mailer. Following up quickly helps you convert interested parties into deals. Also, be mindful of local advertising and privacy laws, as certain regions have strict regulations around unsolicited marketing material. Ensuring compliance with these laws protects you from potential legal issues and maintains your reputation as a trustworthy investor. Driving for dollars is a classic strategy that involves physically driving through neighborhoods looking for distressed properties or signs of potential deals. While it requires time and effort, driving for dollars can uncover properties that aren't yet on the market. Signs of neglected or vacant homes or overgrown lawns, for sale by owner signs, these are all indicators of potential investment opportunities. When driving for dollars, focus on areas where there are aging homes, absentee landlords, or gentrification are evident. These neighborhoods often have properties that owners may be willing to sell at a discount. For efficient driving, plan your routes in advance. Don't go shooting without a target. And use your technology like Google Maps or real estate apps to mark properties of interest. I would recommend Deal Machine. Efficiency is crucial when covering large areas, as it allows you to gather more leads in less time. I already mentioned Deal Machine. Property Radar is another one, and these can simplify the driving for dollars process by allowing you to track your properties, find owner information, and even send direct mail directly from your phone. By recording your leads in a CRM or spreadsheet, you can keep track of the properties you find, including details like the address, the owner contact information, and property conditions. Following up with these owners using a personal touch, like a handwritten letter or personalized postcard, can yield greater results. Real-life examples of deals sourced through driving for dollars highlight the effectiveness of spotting distressed properties firsthand. This method, when integrating with other sourcing techniques, provides a more comprehensive approach to deal sourcing. As with any other on-the-ground method, prioritize safety while you're driving in unfamiliar neighborhoods and avoid driving alone or at night if possible. Staying mindful of privacy and respecting property boundaries are definitely going to ensure that you conduct your search ethically and avoid unnecessary conflicts with property owners or nosy neighbors. Let's talk about CRMs. Customer Relationship Management Systems, or CRMs, are the powerful tools for real estate investors looking to streamline their deal sourcing and lead management processes. Think of a CRM as the central hub for all of your relationship and interactions, where you track and manage every lead, property, and contact associated with your business, from sellers to real estate agents to contractors to financiers to private money lenders and hard money lenders. A well-organized CRM helps you nurture and grow your connections so no opportunity slips through the cracks. A CRM's primary function in real estate investing is to provide you with a structured way to organize leads. Imagine you've been networking, sending out direct mail, engaging on social media, and working these wholesalers. Each of these efforts generates leads that require follow-up, sometimes multiple times. A CRM allows you to record the details of every interaction, from first contact to deal closure. For example, when you make an initial contact with a seller, you can log the date, note any specifics about the property, and set up follow-up reminders. Having this data at your fingertips makes it easier for you to stay organized and follow up promptly. CRMs also enable you to segment your leads based on criteria like location, lead source, property type, and their levels of interest. Let's say you're looking for a multifamily property in a particular city and you come across a batch of new leads. Instead of searching through endless records, a CRM lets you filter through exactly what you need. By categorizing your leads this way, you save time and streamline your outreach efforts, focusing on the leads that are most aligned with your current investment goal. Beyond organization, CRMs allow you to set automated reminders and tasks, ensuring that every lead receives a timely attention. Suppose you contracted a seller who expressed interest but wasn't ready to sell immediately. In that case, the CRM can send you a reminder to follow up in a few weeks or months. This automation is invaluable in real estate, where persistence and consistency separate closed deals from lost opportunities. Plus, when you receive automated reminders for essential follow-ups, you never miss a beat, even when juggling multiple leads simultaneously. The analytics provided by a CRM system is equally valuable. Many CRMs offer dashboards that show metrics like the number of new leads per month, the rate of conversion from lead to sale, and the average time for initial contact to deal closure. Analyzing these metrics gives you insight into which strategies yielded you the best results, so that you refine your approach and focus on the most profitable channel. Some CRMs integrate with other tools like email marketing platforms and social media, allowing you to seamlessly manage all your digital outreach in one place. Imagine running an email campaign targeted at leads who previously responded to your Facebook ads and then tracking their response in real time through your CRM. The integration improves efficiency and provides you with a fuller picture of each marketing effort and impacts lead generation and conversion rates. Real estate CRMs like REI Blackbook, Podio, which is free, and Salesforce offer tailored features for investors, including automated workflows, customizable fields, and property tracking. These platforms can store property-specific information like purchase price, renovation costs, estimated ARV, and financing details. By having all this data in one system, you streamline your deal analysis process and ensure every deal aspect is accounted for. CRMs also make managing diverse relationships in real estate investing easier. You can keep records of your interactions with contractors, lenders, agents, and property managers, ensuring that you have all the relevant information available when you need it. This organized approach prevents miscommunications and strengthens your professional relationships as you're always informed and prepared in your dealings. The most effective use of a CRM goes beyond just storing data. It's about using that data to build better relationships. Regular follow-up messages, personalized based on past conversations, help you nurture leads and keep your business top of mind. Suppose a lead has expressed concerns about renovation costs. In that case, you can follow up with an article or cost estimate that address those concerns. Small touches like that, facilitated by CRM records, show sellers and partners that you're attentive and knowledgeable and you're building trust and credibility over time. Many attribute their increased efficiency, organization, and deal conversion rates to the structured approach provided by CRMs. For example, investors using a CRM report being able to follow up on cold leads months later and convert them into closed deals, something that would be far harder to manage without automated reminders and organized contact histories. While adopting a CRM requires initial investment of time to set up and learn, the long-term benefits far outweigh the effort. With a CRM system, you can grow your business more effectively, leveraging a data-driven approach to lead management, follow-up, and deal analysis. CRMs empower you to make proactive, informed decisions, stay connected to leads and partners, and build a steady stream of opportunities, enabling continuous growth in your real estate investment portfolio. Remember that building a steady stream of deal flow just isn't about having the right tools or knowing the right strategies. It's about consistency, relationship building, and staying proactive in every aspect of your investment journey. From leveraging digital platforms and CRMs to driving for dollars and nurturing a trusted network, each approach adds another layer to your system, keeping your pipeline full and your opportunities growing. So whether you're just starting out or you're scaling, take the initiative to apply these strategies, refine them, and then make them your own. With commitment and the right techniques, you'll be well on your way to generating deals on demand, setting the foundation for a long-term success in real estate. Hey, thanks for joining me. Keep pushing forward, and as always, aim high. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed it and learned something new today. If you did, please show us some love and smash that like button. Your support means everything to us and helps us reach more people like you who want to aim high in real estate. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button along with the notification bell icon so that you can stay up to date on all of our future content. If you're hungry for more real estate and finance related videos, we've got you covered. We can't wait to see your success stories in real estate investing. Till next time, aim high. We'll see you soon.